Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to CJ. Happy birthday.
When I was young and still dreaming, I saw a time that we would be free. And now I'm older and wiser and stronger.
CJ turned 10 today and he's ordering his own cake.
Yes.
My baby's growing up.
I don't want to.
You don't want to grow up? I want you to.
I don't want that.
I want you to. You have to. You gotta. You gotta grow up. I want you to be able to take care of me. That's why I'm taking care of you now. My 10-year-old son.
That's a video, Mom.
No, that's a picture. I'm taking a picture. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I thought when I was like 8, I would forget how to smile. Hi. Daddy and I were talking.
Yeah. No, it's because I didn't give a picture.
The first birthday gift I get was the best.
Which one is first?
Nico. Why are you picking?
No, so that's your final. You want that one?
Yep, it's white gold. Fit with pink. And it flipped
Oh,
over
with the
and out.
pink? Oh, okay. So you choose the color to match the cage. Oh, yeah. Nice gift.
Yeah, we can go, Mom.
That's it, right? All right, let's go. Let's go.
Nico is the best.
I agree with you. Nico is the best. I agree.
And I'm not going to say the worst because I only got 2 so far. So,
So captain toujours. What you was waiting for?
the sprinkles are hard. You want some?
No. You know I don't do sweets.
Are you still on a diet?
I am.
What I don't get is you never video yourself on your birthday. But you do it always on ours.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I don't know. I think you should do it on my birthday, not me.
I don't have a phone. Unless that should be T-Boo's super duper uber smooper second best gift. If it is, I'm gonna brag.
You see what I'm saying? You turned 10 today, it's like you turned 1. You can't even talk.
Before her.
Yeah. Now you got it. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
I love you too.
My baby turned 10.
What are these for?
What you doing with it? Exactly.
Can't you hang from this?
Birthday boy! Birthday boy! You turn 1?
10.
1.
But a 0.
No, just 1. That's what I see.
So why didn't you write 1 on my cake?
Guess what?
You did?
Yeah.
You did.
Yes.
If I see 1 on my cake,
Alright.
if I see 1 on my cake, you can never use this one ever again. You can never use that gas station ever again if I see a 1 on my cake.
Well, guess what? I won't be driving because that's mine. I really will not be driving. Alright, so go. $40 on number 8.
Okay. Oh, I need.
Definitely is.
Nico, pump the gas.
Yeah.
Wow.
Uh-oh. Oh my God. Okay, so now take it off.
Take what off? No.
The cake.
No. Leave it. Because it's gonna give me.
So, kia semua
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to CJ. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
One.
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 It's your birthday, happy birthday, celebrate and have a good time. It's your birthday, happy birthday, another year's gone by. It's your birthday, happy birthday, celebrate and have a good time. It's your birthday, happy birthday, another year's gone by. It's your birthday, happy birthday, celebrate and have a good time. It's your birthday, happy birthday, another year's gone by.
So, CJ, you 10 now.
Yeah,
How do you feel about it?
I like being 10,
You like being 10?
but I feel like I didn't get taller at all. Like at all, I didn't get taller.
Okay, it will come.
Yep.
It will come. So, did you like your birthday barbecue?
Yeah, it was exciting.
Yeah. Your friend was there, even they couldn't stay, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Sadly.
So, what you like the most
The
about
most I like that I finally went to the double digits on 10.
it? Mhm.
Yes, I'm finally in the double digits.
Nice.
And what I liked was, yeah, that. And my cake. You surprised me with the cake.
Yes, you thought I was gonna get.
A Star Wars cake.
Yes, and then I changed it. But that was the first one I wanted to order, and it was like $75. And I said, no, I'm not having, a party. It's just a barbecue, so there's no way I'm gonna spend it. But I see how excited you were, and I know that you was turning 10. And I said, you know what? Let me just get it to surprise you. Yeah.
Anyway, I didn't like two things about it. The music you were playing. You were playing awful music.
I know.
Like
I'm not
baby
a DJ.
music.
I'm not a DJ, and you are my baby. So what do you expect me to do?
You play baby music.
Yes.
You don't do that, Mom.
But you are a baby.
Oh my God.
Yes, you are.
You were going to write 1 on my cake.
Yes. And you did pick number 1 to stay, and everybody could eat 0. So you see, I can't even think because I want you to be 1, I guess.
Okay, so the next thing I didn't like that my dad wasn't there.
Well, that's
Sad.
not on me.
Yep.
That has nothing to do with me. Your dad will be there when he wants to be there.
Okay. And that's it. It was an amazing party for about like 2 hours.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was really fun. It wasn't that hot of a day, so that was good.
It was hot. It
was hot to you.
Burning.
It was hot to you.
But you told me you was hot. You had to change your pants.
Oh yeah.
So it was
no,
hot.
no. Yeah.
It was really hot.
And the thing that surprised people was that Star was allowed.
Yes,
in the
Star
party.
was allowed. Yeah.
Too bad Nico wasn't allowed.
Well,
But
I
still-
forgot about Nico.
Wait, you brought him out?
Yes, I forgot about Nico.
Oh, we forgot about Nico.
Yeah, that's why I didn't actually bring Nico out.